We have some new products at MUA and I'm going to talk you through them. Starting with these. They are the Pro Base Double Shot Under Eye Brightener. They are stunning and they come in 4 shades. Let's swatch them and then I'll get one on. So as well as being cosmetic and giving you brightness and luminosity under your eyes, they are packed full of beautiful ingredients like hyaluronic acid, vitamin E for moisture and caffeine for puffiness. This is the lightest shade, a beautiful light pink tone. This is light to medium, a yellow tone, brilliant if you carry a purple undertone to your under eyes. This is medium to deep. It's got a peachy undertone to really help brighten up a greyness under your eye. And this is deep, a beautiful, rich, deep toned corrector. I'm going to start by taking just a little bit of the light shade on my darkest points under my eye. So for me, that's going to be up on my inner corner. This glides on, it's so hydrating. Just pressing in with my finger. You can see instantly how much that brightens up my under eye. I'm also going to take a little bit here, just for a tiny little bit of lift. If this is enough for you, you can leave it at that. I'm going to take just a tiny little bit of concealer over the top, just to blend that all in with my skin tone. This does not feel dry under my eyes, and it's not sitting and gathering in any creases. These are 5.5ml of product, and they are £3.95. Next we have these. These are called Beauty Balms. They are so beautiful. We've got 4 bronze shades, 1 contour shade, 4 blush shades, and a beautiful clear shade. They're a multi-balm, so you can use these on cheeks, on lips, on eyes. Let's get swatching and I'll get some on. This is the shade Shadow. This is brilliant for sculpting anywhere that you want to add a shadow. So for me, I'm just tucking that under my cheekbones, down the sides of my nose. We're going to snatch that jawline. They blend like a dream because they've got Shea Butter, vitamin E, Apricot Oil and Almond Oil. Then you've got the bronzers. This is Warm Bronze. This shade is Sculpt, a little bit more neutral. Americano, beautiful deep brown. And then you've got Caramel Bronze, which has this beautiful radiant shot through it. I'm going to use a little bit of Warm Bronze as my bronzer. They blend into skin like butter. I think you could easily use these with your fingers as well. I'm going to take a little bit of Caramel Bronze just through my crease. Just blend that in with my fingers. For the blush shades we have Marshmallow, a beautiful cool toned pink. Then we have Blush Baby, a muted warm pink. Then we have Rouge Noir. This looks a little bit scary, but I promise you, when this is blended out, so stunning. And finally we have Berry Blush, a beautiful pink with a shot of gold through it. I'm going to get Blush Baby on. Isn't this just the most beautiful, perfect rosy flush? Taking a little bit up here as well, just to mix in with my bronzer for that really authentic sun-kissed look. Lastly, you have Highlight, which is a clear, but can you see how that just catches the light? This has jojoba oil in. We're just going to take this anywhere that we want to catch the light, and it is a beautiful, dewy, glistening finish. I'm just going to press that in with my fingers. Because these can also be used on the lips, I'm going to get a little bit of berry blush on. And that feels really lovely and hydrating, but not too shiny. These are £4. There is absolutely a shade for everyone. I think they're incredible. Such a brilliant addition to add into your makeup bag and perfect for travel with the summer holidays coming up. Also worth a mention, these caps are 30% recycled material, as is this packaging. If you've got any questions about anything, leave a comment below. And if you haven't already, please do like and subscribe to our channel. MUA is vegan and cruelty free and absolutely for everyone.